Hello. Hope you're doing well. I don't know, maybe you're part of the subscribers or you're new on this channel. Whichever of both it is, you are welcome. My name is Ashil Combat. You may notice already with the prior videos. But we choose in this series of video, you will see that too, to focus on 5 elements, to follow our own philosophy, right? We all base our tools and we all look into things we do, looking into how our own body function, right? There is just a principle in this whole body about things going 5-3, 5-3, okay? But we'll go with the principle of 5, and today we'd like to talk about 5 key things you need to notice, you need to have as a note, okay, on our collective, okay, pi project. Okay, and if you don't know what the pi project is, you can look already on top here. I think the team will be putting the video describing actually what that project is about. Okay, but today let's talk about the contribution, because if you take time and you already you're familiar with this is a project to build a cryptocurrency and a marketplace, right, where everything is accessible to the people. We call it then the currency for the people by the people. So it means that is all our different efforts that is building, strengthening, making this project to be a success. Very important for all of us to keep in mind, because if nobody is joining, if people don't get engaged and trust that this will be the powerful and the most used currency in the future, then our success will be limited. So I hear people asking every time, how do you contribute? How do you contribute, right? Very quick in 5 elements here on how you can actually contribute in this. Okay. First of all, contribution. Choose the level of contribution that you would like to feel comfortable in doing, right? In one video that we'll be putting on again, okay, you can see the video here, okay, it will tell you we have explained, okay, exactly the different levels that you can choose to be. You can choose to be a pioneer, you can choose to be a contributor, you can choose to be an ambassador, you can choose to be a node, okay? All that was described already in the video right here, okay? Now, that's the level you need to choose, and there is no obligation here, okay? It's whatever you feel comfortable with that you can do. The second element to contribute to this community is to allow the ads, right? The ads are helping us to be able, if you notice, joining the community is free, right? There's no charge, let's put it that way, because there's nothing free in this world, we all know. Because even though there's no charge, you have to put in your energy, your time to be able to mine and contribute, right? That's already a cost. So there's no charge. So the ads are helping us as a community to support all the servers, because everything working on your phone, the most of the work is done through the main server. So to maintain all that and to be able to support even also the collective effort, right? So we need to be able to just allow the ad to run, and they just for a couple of seconds. But now remember, it's your choice. You can turn them off like I mentioned in a prior video, or you can let them on. For me, I don't see for me a problem to let those ads run if it will help us support actually the maintenance of all those servers that are helping all of us to do what we're doing. So the third way you can contribute here is in the chat, right? There are so many new people who are joining, so you can choose a specific chat where you can go answer people question, you can go answer people worries, right? Depending on what you know, okay? It doesn't have to be only the moderators, right? Yes, who are in the ecosystem. You can also contribute to that, okay? The chat. The fourth element, how do you contribute? You can start sharing this if you feel it. If your instinct is telling you that, yes, this is a trustworthy project, you can start sharing. Because if you notice, again, going back to our own body, is a whole sharing process that happens in this body for wellness. Same thing in everything that we create. Without sharing, we're not going to we're not going to get the benefit, we're not going to get the value, the holy value in whatever we're doing. So sharing is then a fourth way for you to contribute, to get engaged, okay, in this project. So the last one that you can actually also do to help is to be part of the brainstorming, right? So there are already some ideas there that you can go support, or you can bring your own ideas. Remember, this is something that is not already built. We are all building the whole process right now. That's why it is for the people, by the people. So the brainstorming is another way that you can also come and help. And all those elements are in the app that you can find. I think brainstorming is actually on the home page that you can see. Okay. So yes, contribution. Those are the 5 ways that you can contribute. And if you have different way, you figure out or you find other ways, put them in the comment. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll see you in the next video. But just remember, our philosophy is very simple. When you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. Thank you for watching.